If the numerator of a fraction is increased by 2 and the denominator by 1, it becomes 1. Again, if the numerator is decreased by 4 and the denominator by 2, it becomes 1 over 2. Find the fraction. Okay, now we can assume x over y as a required fraction. Now to get the fraction, we need to find the values of x and y using the given information. Okay, now let me consider the first piece of information. That is, if the numerator is increased by 2 and denominator by 1, it becomes 1. Okay, now let me increase the numerator x by 2 and the denominator y by 1. Then the value of the fraction becomes 1 according to the first piece of information. Now let me consider the second piece of information. That is, if the numerator is decreased by 4 and denominator by 2, it becomes 1 over 2. Okay, let me decrease the numerator x by 4 and denominator by 2. That is, y has to be decreased by 2. Then we get y negative 2. In that case, the value of the fraction is 1 over 2. Okay, now let's multiply both sides of the equation by the denominator y positive 1. Let me do it. Okay, here 1 times y positive 1. This y positive 1 will cancel out. I'm getting x positive 2 equals to 1 times y positive 1 is still we get y positive 1. Let me subtract 2 from both sides. Then this positive 2 negative will cancel out. I'm getting x equals to y negative 1. Okay, we can consider this is equation number 1. Now, let's do cross multiplication. That is, this numerator has to be multiplied by this denominator and this numerator has to be multiplied by this denominator. Then we have 2 times x negative 4 equals to 1 times y negative 2. Already we have solved for x in terms of y. That is, we have x equals to y negative 1. We can plug in this y negative 1 for x over here. Then we have 2 times y negative 1 negative 4 equals to 1 times y negative 2 is y negative 2. Okay, 2 times y, when I combine negative 1 and negative 4, I am getting negative 5. On the right side, we have y negative 2. We can distribute this 2 to this y and negative 5. Then I am getting 2y negative 10 equals to y negative 2. Let me subtract y from both sides and also add 10 to both sides. Then this positive y negative y will cancel out. Negative 10 positive 10 will cancel out. The simplification of this one is y. On the right side, the simplification of 92 and positive 10 is positive 8. Here I got the value of y, that is 8. Now we can plug in this value 8 for y into the first equation over here. Then the first equation becomes x equals to 8 negative 1, x equals to 8 negative 1 is 7. I got the value of x as well. Okay, here we can plug in value for x, the value of x is 7, and we can plug in value for y, the value of y is 8. I got the fraction, that is 7 over 8.